So my dear students, today I am going to explain the new concept, that is 11.2 compare and order decimals. I already explained the concept. So today workbook problems, first one, the pair of unlike decimals is. So unlike decimals means the number of decimal numbers must be changed. So here decimal numbers 2, here also 2, here 2, here also 2, here 1 and 2 is there. So number of decimals are changed. So answer is C. Next, second one, the decimal equivalent to 63.1 is. So 63.1 decimal equivalent means you can take so many zeros after the decimal point. So here real number part as it is 63.1 is there. So 1 is also as it is. You can take after 0 so many times. So that is 63.10. So here they have taken only 10. So answer is 63.1. Or otherwise you can write 63.1000 so many times. So answer is D. Third one, the decimal equivalent to 12.5. So this is also decimal equivalent means you can take so many zeros. So 12.50 is there. So 12.50 is there. So that means answer is option A. Next, fourth one, compare 3.4 and 4. So how to compare the decimal numbers? So first you should check the real number part. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there. So which one is greater? Obviously 4. That means sign is 3.4 is less than 4. So option A. Next, fifth one, which of the following statement is true? Okay. So first one, 2.3 is greater than 3.2? No. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. Real number part. First you have to compare real number part. 2 is greater than 3? No, wrong. So 1.4 and 0.1. So this is also wrong. 1.5 is greater than 5.1. This is also wrong. Dth one, 9.8 is greater than 8.9. Right. 9 is greater than 8. So option D. Next, sixth one. Compare 5.60 and 5.64 using the symbols. So first here compare real number part is 5 is there, 5 is there. So now check the decimal part. Here 60, that is 60. Here 64 is there. Which one is greater? 64. That means the symbol is 5.60 is less than 5.64. So option B. So next, seventh one, put the correct sign. 15.94 is greater or smaller. So here 15 is same. So just check 94 and 49. Which one is greater? 94. So symbol is greater than. Next, 8.01, 8.10. So 8 is same. 0, 1 and 10. Which one is greater? Obviously 10. The symbol is less than. So 99.9 and 99.90. So these are equivalent decimals. Why? Because here they have taken 1 0 extra. That means they both are equal. So both are equal. So next, 10th one, arrange the decimal numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means which one? Smaller to bigger number. So 2.01, 2.001 and 1.02. So which one is smaller? First we have to compare the real number. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 1 is there. That means this one is smaller. So ascending order is 1.02. Next, here 2 common. So here 3 digits are there, decimal 3 digits. Here 2. That means you can write this as 2.01 as you can take 1 0 extra. And this one 2.001. So now compare the decimal. Here 10 is there, here 1 is there. So which one is smaller? This one. That means 2.001 and last number is 2.01. So this is the ascending order. Next, compare 54.3, 5.43. Which one is greater? 54 or 5? Obviously 54. That means 54.3 is greater than 5.43. Next, which is greater? 7.03 or 7.30. So here 7 common. Here 3 is there only. Here 30 is there. Which one is greater? 7.30 is greater. So next, 13th one, find the greater number in the following pair of decimals. So greater number, so first one, which one is greater? Only compare first real number part. 755, 255 is there. Which one is greater? 755.33 is greater. Otherwise use the symbol. This is greater than 255.33. So second one, bth one. So here 26.79, 26.798 is there. So first, these are unlike decimals because number of decimal digits are here 3, here 2 is there. So these are unlike decimals. So first convert them to like. So 26.79 is there. Here only 2 decimal digits are there. So here 3 digits. So you can take 1 0 extra. So now compare. 26.790, 798. 26 is common, but 790, 798. Which one is greater? 798 is greater. That means this one is smaller than 26.798. So that means this one is greater. Next, 14th one. Arrange the following decimals in ascending and descending order. So first you should find out the smaller, because ascending means smaller to greater. So first find out the smaller. So ascending order. AO means ascending order. So first compare the real number part. 30.24, 30.5, 30.63, 30.191. Okay. So first write down this in a, these are unlike decimals. So first write down in a like decimals. Maximum number of digit places are 3. So here also write down everyone is 3 places. 2, 4, 0, 1 0 extra I have taken. 30.5 they given. 30.500. Next 30.63 they given. 6310 extra because 3 digits. 30.191. So now smaller number 30 is common. In this decimal part, which one is smaller? 191 is smaller. So that is 30.191. This is smaller. So you can use the symbol also. After the greater number 240, isn't it? That is 30.240. Next 500 or 630? 500. That is 30.500. Next and last one 30.630. So descending order means vice versa. So starting from here, this is greater, smaller, 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 like that. Okay. So next 15th one, compare the given pairs of decimals using the symbol. So compare first one. So 405.68 is there, 405.681. So first convert them to like decimal. Because here 68, 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places are there. So here also take 3 decimal places. And this one 405.681. So real number part is same 405. So now compare the decimal part. 680 and 681. Which one is greater? 681 is greater. So next bth one. 345.66 and 342.66. So first compare the real number part. 345, 342. Which one is greater? 345 is greater. So next sixth one. 46.296 and 47.296. So first compare the real number part. 46 and 47 is there. Which one is greater? Obviously 47. And last one, dth one. The number is 119.487. Another one is 118.486. So which one is greater? 119. No? So 119.487 is greater. So next 16th one. First one, arrange the decimal number in the descending order. So descending order. So here only see here 51.51.51.51. That means here real number part is same. So first convert unlike decimal to like decimal. 16th, 8th one. So first they have given in unlike decimals because number of digit places are different. Here 3, maximum 3. Here 1, 2, here 3 is there. So you should convert unlike to like. So because here 3 digit means here 2, you can take 1 0 extra. Here only one digit is there, so you can take 2 zeros extra. So write down that like decimals. So these are like decimals. 147320. I have taken 1 0 extra, I have taken 2 zeros extra. This one is as it is. So what they asked, descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller, descending order. So which one is greater? 51 is common, 147, 320, 600, 940. So 940 is greater. So this one is first 51.940. Next, smaller 600, isn't it? So 51.600. Next 51.320, and last one is 51.147. So this is descending order. Second one, convert these unlike decimals into like decimals. So here they given 72.5, 560.635, and 5 is separate, 64.7 is separate. So these are in unlike decimals because number of digit places are different. Here 1 is there, here 3, here 0, because there is no decimal point here. So here 1 is there. So how to convert it? Maximum decimal places are 3. So just convert them to maximum decimal places to 3. So like decimals, 72.5 is there. I have taken 2 zeros extra. Here this one is as it is. Here only 5 is there. So 5.000. Here only one place is there. I have taken 2 zeros extra. So this is the way of converting unlike to like decimals. So the next 17th question. The price of sugar is 29 rupees 50 paisa per kg, and that of 2 kg of rice is 58 rupees. Which item cost more than the other? So first here they given cost of price of sugar for 1 kg, but here they given 2 kg of rice price. Okay, so first convert this price to 1 kg. After that compare it. So first one, write down this one, price of sugar. So I will write it. So this is the data. Price of sugar for 1 kg equals to 29 rupees 50 paisa. Price of rice for 2 kg equals to 58 they given. So just convert price of rice for 1 kg. 1 kg equals to, you should divide 58 divided by 2. So what will get the answer? 29 rupees. So which one is greater, 29 or 29.5? 29.50. So which item cost more than the other? Sugar cost more than the rice. Therefore sugar costs more than rice. So just comparing. Okay, here 29 rupees is there, here 29 rupees 50 paisa extra. Sugar no. Next 18th one. One student weighs 35.53 kg and another student weighs 35.532 kg. Which one heavier than the other? So first they are given in unlike decimals because here decimal places are 2, here decimal places are 3. So first convert them to like decimals. So first student weight equals to 35.53 kg, second student weight equals to 35.532 kg. So because these are unlike decimals, because 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places, so you should take 1 0 extra because here 3 is it, maximum decimal places are 3. So now compare which one is greater. 532 is greater, no? So this one is greater. Therefore second student is heavier than first student. Heavier than first student. Okay. So next 19th one. Ali arranged 4 wooden boards of length 4.5 meter, 4.52 meter, 4 meter and 4.505 meter from the longest to the shortest and vice versa. What are Ali's order of boards? Here they given the lengths. So just convert them to like decimals because these are unlike decimals. After that you can write shortest to longest and vice versa means shortest to longest to shortest, vice versa means shortest to longest. Longest to shortest means this is descending order, vice versa means ascending order. Write yourself. So next 20th one, Kishan wrote down the lengths of, here they given the lengths, he arranged the stick from the shortest to longest. He also arranged them in the other way. Other way means longest to shortest. Find the longest and shortest length. Again, unlike decimals, convert them to like decimals and write down. 21st one, the height of 6 students. Here they given the height of the 6 students. Raju is the 7th and the last student in stand in the line. What should be his height? So height of 6 students standing in a line from shortest to tallest. Shortest to tallest they given. Raju is the 7th. 7th means he is the tallest person. Sorry, tallest student. That means last student. That means last means, that is the 7th means he is the tallest student. So in the line, what should be his height? First convert them to, they have given in like decimals only. So just compare which one is greater. That is the height of Raju. So heights of 6 students are 1.22 meter, 1.28 meter, 1.35 meter and all this. Raju is 7th means they have given only 6 students height. So 7th means it should be greater than 1.5, no? Because he is 7th means he is the tallest person. Tallest person means he should be greater than 1.50 meter. That means, therefore, Raju is 7th means his height must be more than 1.5 meter. Therefore, Raju's height equals to, you can take x, that is x must be greater than 1.50 meter. Okay. And 22nd one is a homework. Try it yourself.